The director of the Eurovision Song Contest, Martin Green, has confirmed the event would welcome the return of RTE and other broadcasters who pulled out this year because of Israel's participation. In an interview with RTE News in Vienna, Martin Green said dialogue between all EBU members is ongoing.
Vienna is gearing up to host the Eurovision Grand Final tomorrow night. But offstage, RTE and 4 broadcasters are absent from the show as they are boycotting the contest this year due to the ongoing participation of Israel. I sat down with the director of Eurovision Song Contest, Martin Green, to discuss the issues.
Well, look, the way I've come to describe it is that we are a big family, and 5 members of our family are missing this year, and we miss them and we love them. But at the same time, we fully respect their point of view. It's really important. We are a membership organisation, and sometimes membership organisations have disagreements.
So then let's talk about Israel. That's been the tension, the contentious ongoing participation of Israel in this contest. What is your view on Israel's role at this point in their participation?
Well, my first view is that it is a public service broadcaster, Khan, who participates here, and we don't believe they're responsible for the actions of their government. I understand the debate, I understand the argument, I respect the alternative point of view, and I respect people's ability to exercise that point of view. We have a different point of view. We believe that there has to be spaces in the world, in culture and sport, where we can gather the world and show that the world could be a better place. And that is what we exist for.
Meanwhile, in city centre Vienna, more low-key demonstrations today with the pro-Palestinian concert. Back at the concert arena, meanwhile, the focus is firmly on the final tomorrow night.
Millions and millions of people will join us, and they will tune in and see that for 70 years Eurovision has been a fantastic, embracing, diverse spectacle of joy.
The show goes on. Evelyn O'Rourke, RTE News, Vienna.
Now let's cross over live to Vienna to speak to Evelyn O'Rourke. And Evelyn, as we saw in your reports there, Martin Green, the head of Eurovision, is very keen to have Ireland back in the competition. RTE still undecided as to whether it will take part again next year. The media minister was also speaking today, and in terms of this year's boycott, well, he was very supportive of it.
Yes, he said that he felt there was a strong opportunity between now and wherever Eurovision 2027 may take place for the issues to be reconciled. But he did point to the EBU, and he said they have to take cognizance of the loss of innocent lives in the Middle East on both sides. And he's saying they must come up with a fix that allows people to enjoy a contest that reflects and shows Europe and harmony in Europe. Tommy.
Evelyn O'Rourke in Vienna. Thanks indeed.